Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Audi S8, a luxury sedan that combines cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance and unmatched comfort. The 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that generates an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S8 delivers exceptional handling, precise control, and seamless acceleration. This powerhouse achieves a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds, ensuring it stands out as both a luxury sedan and a high-performance machine. The exterior design of the Audi S8 is a perfect blend of sophistication and sportiness. Its bold single-frame grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create an imposing yet elegant presence on the road. Subtle chrome accents, quad exhaust outlets, and large alloy wheels enhance its dynamic appeal, making it a true standout in its segment. Inside, the 2025 Audi S8 offers a cabin designed for ultimate comfort and luxury. High-quality materials like Valcona leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and optional wood inlays create a refined atmosphere. The spacious interior ensures ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, while heated, ventilated, and massaging seats elevate the comfort level. Advanced noise-canceling technology keeps the cabin serene, even at highway speeds. Technology takes center stage in the S8 with its dual-screen MMI touch response system, which offers intuitive access to navigation, media, and climate controls. The virtual cockpit display provides customizable information right in front of the driver, while the Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera system. The 2025 S8 features adaptive air suspension, allowing it to deliver a smooth ride or a sportier feel based on your driving preferences. The car also includes drive modes for tailored performance, ranging from comfort to dynamic settings. Despite its powerful engine, the S8 incorporates a mild hybrid system for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, demonstrating Audi's commitment to sustainability. The 2025 Audi S8 is a remarkable luxury sedan that combines power, elegance, and innovation. It's the perfect choice for those who demand exceptional performance without compromising on comfort and technology. Thank you for watching Vehicle Review World. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, expert insights, and all the latest updates from the world of cars. Stay tuned for more.